A hard-working ant spent the summer collecting food for the winter, storing it away and stocking up on seeds and grains in her underground nest. She was determined to get ahead and prepare for the future. Meanwhile, a grasshopper spent the summer goofing off and lounging in the sun, putting off until tomorrow what he could do today. He would often mock the ant for her industrious ways, saying, "Why work so hard? There's plenty of food to be found. You are just wasting your time." Winter came and the grasshopper found himself struggling to get by. He had to resort to begging, knocking on the ant's door and asking for a handout. But the ant was not willing to bail him out. She said, "I worked hard for my food. You should have done the same. I can't help you now." The grasshopper was left to face the harsh winter alone. With nothing to fall back on, he had to fend for himself, and it was a tough lesson to learn. This story uses the following phrasal verbs: store away, to put something in a safe place for future use. She stored away the food for the winter. Stock up, to collect and store a lot of something, often in preparation for a future need. They stocked up on supplies before the storm. Get ahead, to make progress, succeed, or achieve something. She worked hard to get ahead in her career. Goof off, to waste time, be lazy, or do something foolish. He goofs off all day instead of working. Put off, to delay or postpone something until a later time. I put off doing my homework until the last minute. Resort to use a particular method or solution because no other options are available. They resorted to borrowing money from friends. Bail out, to help someone by giving them money or support when they are in trouble. He bailed out his friends by lending him money. Think ahead, to consider and plan for the future. She thought ahead and saved money for retirement. Fall back on, to rely on something or someone as a last resort. He fell back on his savings when he lost his job. Fend for oneself, to take care of oneself and manage one's own affairs. She had to fend for herself after her parents passed away. These phrasal verbs can be useful in everyday language, and I hope this helps you understand their meanings. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe.